Source Code: My Beginnings, by Bill Gates is a highly anticipated and well-received memoir that delves into the formative years of one of the world's most influential figures. Published in early 2025, it marks the first in a planned trilogy of autobiographies, focusing on Gates's life before the global dominance of Microsoft. Summary: Source Code traces Bill Gates's journey from his childhood in Seattle through his early adulthood and the pivotal moments that led to the co-founding of Microsoft. It is a deeply personal and introspective account, offering readers a glimpse into the making of a visionary. Early life and family: Gates candidly recounts his upbringing as a precocious, sometimes difficult kid, and the middle child of dedicated and ambitious parents. He explores his relationships with his family, including his principal grandmother who taught him to think through card games, and his parents, acknowledging their significant influence on his development. A misfit childhood: Gates doesn't shy away from admitting his struggles to fit in with peers, often preferring solitary reading to other activities. He discusses his rebellious teenage years, clashes with his mother, and how a therapist helped him navigate these challenges. Discovery of computing: The memoir highlights Gates's early fascination with computers and coding, which began at Seattle's exclusive Lakeside School. He details his intense focus, ability to process vast amounts of information, and the almost obsessive drive that would define his career. The book offers a fascinating historical context of the nascent technological revolution of the 1960s and 70s, describing early computing environments like the PDP-10 mainframe and the groundbreaking Altair 8800. Friendships and loss: Gates recounts his deep friendship with Kent Evans, who fueled his early interest in business and economics. The book touches upon the profound impact of Evans's sudden death at 17, marking Gates's first close encounter with loss. Harvard and the birth of Microsoft: The narrative covers Gates's time at Harvard College, where he met future Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer. A pivotal moment is the December 1974 issue of Popular Electronics featuring the Altair 8800, which inspired Gates and Paul Allen to drop out of college and embark on the audacious venture that would become Microsoft. The book ends in the late 1970s, as Microsoft, still a small company, signs its first significant deal with Apple. Self-reflection and growth: Throughout the book, Gates reflects on how his youthful traits, including his intellectual intensity, competitiveness, and occasional abrasiveness, shaped him. He also acknowledges his shortcomings and expresses gratitude for the mentors, teachers, and friends who believed in him and helped him transform his quirks into strengths. Unlike many swaggering tech bro memoirs, Gates adopts a wryly self-deprecating and congenial tone. He opens up about emotional topics and struggles, offering a more vulnerable side than many might expect. This willingness to admit shortcomings and reflect on his past, even the challenging aspects, resonates strongly with readers. A Bildungsroman of a genius: The book is seen as a Bildungsroman, charting the intellectual and personal development of a unique mind. Gates's extraordinary cognitive makeup, his intense focus, information processing ability, and even physical traits like rocking while thinking, are portrayed with refreshing honesty. The book expertly shows how a supportive environment, alongside his innate brilliance, converged to shape both an individual and an entire industry. Historical context and entrepreneurial insights: Beyond the personal narrative, Source Code provides valuable historical context for the dawn of the personal computer revolution. Gates's descriptions of early computing are fascinating for anyone interested in the origins of today's digital world. It's also an entrepreneurial story, showing how Gates and Allen identified their niche in software and tied their fate to the PC, drawing parallels to modern tech giants capitalizing on new trends. Writing style: Gates's writing style is described as clear, methodical, and analytical, mirroring his mindset. The chronological structure is punctuated by thoughtful reflections, connecting early experiences to later achievements. A foundation for future memoirs, as the first of a planned trilogy, Source Code lays a strong groundwork. Reviewers note that while it's rich in detail about his early life, some suggest it might lack the dramatic tension of his later career. However, this seems to be a deliberate choice, as Gates focuses on his foundational years, leaving the complexities of Microsoft's rise and his philanthropic work for subsequent volumes. Humanity in the details. Many reviewers point to the small, human details in the book as its most compelling aspects. Gates's affection for his father despite disciplinary actions, his experiments with LSD, and his immediate recognition of Steve Jobs' aura when they first met, all contribute to a more nuanced and relatable portrait of the man. In conclusion, Source Code, My Beginnings, offers a surprisingly candid and deeply reflective account of Bill Gates's early life. It's not a tell-all about Microsoft, but rather a journey into the mind and experiences that forged one of history's most impactful innovators. It provides valuable insights into personal development, entrepreneurial spirit, and the foundational moments of the digital age, leaving readers eager for the next installments of his story.